Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I have another YarnYay unboxing for you. This is the June 2023 box, and again, YarnYay is using their 5-year anniversary box by Vickie Howell, and it's YarnYay.com in case you're interested in getting your own box. So this month is Embroider Yay. So our project is going to be making one of these bags, either the knit or the crochet version, and embroidering on it. And what I love mostly about these boxes is that you get either a knitting pattern or a crochet pattern. And you get both patterns in the pamphlet that they give you. And this way you have a choice of doing either one, or you could do both. They don't give you enough yarn to do both projects. You only get enough yarn for one of the projects, but you can always order extra yarn or use yarn at home that you have in your stash of the same type of yarn. So that's that. And of course, they always have this pretty paper. Their presentation is beautiful. So the yarn that we have is called Wool and the Gang Shiny Happy Cotton. And this is lipstick red. It's 155 yards or 142 meters. And these gorgeous colors of embroidery floss. These are my favorite colors. Add a blue in there and you'd have all my favorite colors, pink and purple and green. And with the red bag, it'll be beautiful. And an Embroider Knit Volume 1, 10 flowers to embroider on knit and crochet. Oh, and Vickie wrote this book. Oh, how cool. I did not know that she was doing an embroidery book. And here's the ones that they show you. Very cool. And what is this? This is the other reason why I really enjoy this subscription box, or all of the extras that you get. You don't just get yarn, you get yarn with a project. And again, you don't have to do the project that they give you for that yarn. You can use it for anything, but they give you a project to do with that, specifically with that yarn. And then there's all those extras that Vickie gives to you. So this is, oh, it's a card holder. Okay. And I guess this is the company that made it. And there's on both sides. Very nice. It's made out of leather and it has 2 snaps. This is perfect for my business cards. I can put this in my pocketbook. Very nice. So once again, this was the June 2023 box, and I will have all the information in the description box for what you would need to order this box for yourself. The price varies depending on whether you get just 1 box, 3 boxes, 6 months, or a year subscription. The more you get, the more money you save. And that's all the information for this box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.